Hey everybody, so I picked up an item from Lowe's. It is a Metabo HPT item, so please stick around, and we'll also be talking about future things coming to the channel, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so this is going to be one of those your mileage may vary because I went to two different Lowe's today. One Lowe's had this Metabo HPT 14.4 volt, 18 volt, and 36 volt multi-volt battery charger. It is a rapid charger with a 4 amp hour, 8 amp hour multi-volt battery. And the Home Depot I went to, this package is kind of dirty. Feels kind of odd, but might be just dust or something. It's kind of sticky. But I got this at the Home Depot I first stopped at, or the Lowe's, I'm sorry, not Home Depot. The Lowe's I first stopped at. They only had one left. It was priced at $119 instead of the $169, I believe. I also found the physical cable setup where it looks like a battery. It's got a cable hooked up to it, the AC/DC power adapter. Lowe's is also selling that online for $119. I called Acme Tools. I had to call the Duluth Center, the Duluth store, because the Acme Tools phone number isn't working at all. The main number, and I wanted to do a price match, but you need to speak to the online department, and the online department phone isn't working. It hasn't been working for about 3 months. So I called the Duluth store. They said that they got a hold of left a voicemail for a corporate manager. He'd give me a call. He could probably help me with my order. Now, the reason I want to get it from Acme Tools is because Lowe's, if you order it online, they have it's like $8 worth of tax plus like shipping fee. And Acme Tools doesn't have a tax, and Acme Tools' shipping fee is like $4 or $5, something like that. So I paid $128 out the door for this at Lowe's. It is the rapid charger. I'm not sure where the model number, it looks like, is UC18YSL3. So Ultimate Charlie 18 Youngster Sam Lima 3. It says 14.4 volt, 18 volt, and if you look at the back, yeah, UC18YSL3B1. So it says up here, UC18YSL3 is a 14.4, 18 volt rapid charger with USB port. USB port to charge and charge a mobile device, full color LED lights, charging blue light, charged green light. 15-minute charge time for an 18 volt 1.5 amp hour battery. 30-minute charge time for an 18 volt compact 3.0 battery. 52-minute charge time for a multi-volt battery. Over here on the side it says BSL 36B18. So Bravo Sam Lima 36 Bravo 18. This is the multi-volt lithium battery that's in this kit. It is a 36 volt, 18 volt dual voltage. Powers all Metabo HPT, multi-volt, and 18 volt lithium slide type tools. Fully compatible with current 18 volt cordless tool slide type. High capacity 4 amp hour, 36 volt, 8 amp hour, 18 volt. Powerful output 1440 watts. Output almost 3 times more than BSL 1860 and BSL 1850. Battery level indicator 4 levels. Says it in a different language. So this kit is normally $169. I got it for $128. The actual AC/DC power adapter, which is basically looks like a battery, has a cord coming out of it and a transformer box, and you plug it into 110 volt, 120 volt DC. That is normally $169 as well. Lowe's is selling it on sale for $119 as well. And Acme Tools will price match. So this is going to be kind of like an Acme Tools update, informative update video, as well as a quick look at this. we'll do an unboxing of this in a separate video. The reason I'm showing this is because I will be bringing the Metabo HPT MultiVolt 36 volt 10-inch table saw to the channel. I need a table saw to do some projects. I'm also going to be picking up DeWalt FlexVolt miter saw and the miter saw table and a bunch of Milwaukee tools. So you guys might want to stick around for all of those things. I'm just waiting for those to show up in the mail. I took advantage of the red, white, and blue sales going on at Home Depot online, and I took advantage of this deal at Lowe's for the red, white, and blue sales going on. Looks like they're both doing red, white, and blue sales from what I noticed. But this is the RapidCharger, which is nice. It does 14.4 volt batteries, 18 volt batteries, and the 36 volt batteries. It is nice. It comes with a USB port. And I'll put more details in it when we take it apart. When we open it on the next video. Again, please stick around for the upcoming videos. Please like, comment, subscribe. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tool affiliate links, as well as my DJI affiliate links. Thank you so much for watching. Everything will be in the description below. Hopefully you guys find something that you guys like. And I got a couple DJI cameras and I think a drone in my description, as well as some good Milwaukee tools and some Amazon tools that are good. Again, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!
Yeah.